Hi everyone, Pradeep here from TGT and welcome to another video. iPhone 6s, iOS 15, let's talk about that. Released in 2015 with Apple A9 chip and 2GB of LPDDR4 RAM, iPhone 6s is the oldest device that can run iOS 15. Well, we already know that, but how good it runs with iOS 15, that's the more important point here. Let's start with some major visible changes that we can see in iPhone 6s with iOS 15 installed. First of all, there is an all-new Hello screen when the device boots up for the first time after installing iOS 15. The notification panel now looks much cleaner with iOS 15. Finally, Apple got it right about the notification grouping. The new Do Not Disturb icon looks like a bit different here. The new focus feature is here, and this is how the new panel looks like. You can stay focused on what's important by selecting a preset option, or you can personalize it as you like. Also, you now can share it across all your devices at the same time. The magnifier app is now available in the home screen directly. Previously, you had to enable it from the accessibility option. When you connect the AirPods, there is a pop-up for announce calls and notification feature, where Siri can announce and respond to notifications in some apps just by your voice. You can enable it or disable it from the Siri and search option in the settings menu. The new mail privacy feature is also available, where you can protect your mail activity by hiding IP address and privately load all remote contents. The new stock app comes with some new design, business news, and you can view your stocks and news across all the devices by iCloud sharing. The iOS Translate app has been updated with conversation mode and on-device mode by downloading languages and do the translate directly on the device. Also, you can enable or disable share audio recording to improve Siri and dictation. The Messages app has been updated as well. The shared features are here in Messages. You can select apps manually that can access the message to see the content shared by your friends. As you can see, the interface of the sent and received messages now looks a bit different. The multiple image grouping looks attractive. You can scroll down multiple images with ease and can also expand the menu to see all the images at the same time. It's really cool. The FaceTime icon is now at the top right corner, and one tap to go to the contact is also available. Unfortunately, the live text feature of iOS 15 is not available for iPhone 6s. As you can see here, the left device is an iPhone XR running iOS 15. It can read the text on the screen, but iPhone 6s cannot. Also, iPhone 6 cannot read a text from an image as well, so this device seems to be missing out on that feature. Also, the FaceTime application on iPhone 6s is missing out some features. As you can see, the all new layout is available. The create link feature is also here, but different audio isolations, video modes, landscape videos, such features are not available for iPhone 6s. The Safari browser got a complete redesign as well. In the new layout, the address bar is at the bottom of your screen, as you can see. There is a nice little animation as you scroll up and down on a web page. You can add or can browse to different tabs just like this. That new layout looks really fantastic. Also, you can switch between the tabs just by swiping left to right just like this. The new Safari app runs smooth enough in this iPhone 6s. The Music app has been updated. All the new features of Apple Music are coming to this iPhone 6s. As you can see, the Apple Digital Master is already here from iOS 14.6 onwards. Dolby Atmos and spatial audio is also coming, and you will be able to experience it when it is available in your region. The Apple Weather app got a redesign as well. The interface looks different. Lots of new parameters has been added to provide you the in-depth forecast of the weather in your region. Also, you can access a thematic heat map within the weather application as well. There are some new additions to the Reminder app as well. Organization with tabs, optimization with smart listing, and easy deletion of completed reminders are here. So lots more sophistication are there to look for. So lots of new features, and you can dig in and find something more as well. Do write it down in the comment section below what else you have found out. Now, after all this, I would like to discuss about two major issues that iPhone 6s users can encounter. First is the storage issue. I know there are many iPhone 6s users who have a 16 gig model. As you can see here, after installing iOS 12, the used storage is almost 13 GB here. Among that, we have around 12 GB of OS and system data. So for a 16 gig model, you will only have around 4 GB left to use, which is very much insufficient. I don't know if this is a bug with developer beta 1, but the storage might be an issue here. Second is the battery life. With the implementation of widgets in iOS 14, the iPhone 6's battery life was never that good. This is the same issue that continues with iOS 15 here. So if this is your main device, then using up to 2 widgets in the home screen is okay, but anything more than that can drastically affect the battery life. Also, with this beta so far, the standby battery life is not that great. But the performance wise, I have to say it is fantastic. This is really surprising that apart from 1 or 2 springs, how smooth the iOS 15 runs in this old device. With a refreshed user experience, I love my iPhone 6s once again, and I'm sure you will love it too. Now if you are interested about the benchmark scores, here it is. It's 545 for the single core and 940 for the multi-core, which is kind of a same as the iOS 14 so far. So now the question is, should you install? Well, absolutely not if this is your primary device. Remember, this is a developer beta. Even when you get the public beta 1 or public beta 2, then also you should not install it to your main device. Well, if you have a secondary iPhone 6s, that means it is your secondary device, you can try this one out, but do remember about the storage situations that I mentioned during this video. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked it. So don't forget to subscribe to TGT and don't forget to share this with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.